How to find and recover deleted messages on Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Messenger on your device. Here, click on the three lines at the bottom right. Then click on Archive in here. After you click on Archive, you'll find the chats if they are hidden. If you find the chat, hold on to the chat, and at the bottom you'll find On Archive. Simply click on Archive at the bottom. It will unarchive the chat and you will find it in the main page. But if you have deleted your message, what you can do is open Facebook and click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Here, click on Account Center. After you click on Account Center, scroll down and click on Your Information and Permissions. Click on Export Your Information. After you click on Export Your Information, here you will find this kind of screen. Simply click on Create Export. After you click on Create Export, click on Export to Device, which is the first option. Then click on Customize Information in here. After you click on Customize Information in here, click on Messages. Then press on Save at the bottom. After you click on Save at the bottom, click on Start Export. And you will need to add your Facebook password and press on Continue. After you press on Continue in here, you'll find this kind of screen. You'll find information and it will be sent to your mail. After it's sent to your mail, you can open it and you will find all your deleted chats. This is how to find and recover deleted messages on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.